Okay, a little bit of troubleshooting. I was having an issue with the neutral. I lost the neutral light up on the dash. And after looking around on the bike and in the book and the blueprint, which I'll show you in a minute, we've got this connection. This is a test point for the neutral switch. And what you do you can't see it because it's smooth, but if you pull this apart, you'll find two amp connectors in there. One's a male, one's a female. You pull it apart. I guess I could show it to you. Let's see. Hold on. See? You just pull that apart. There's the female. You just snap them together. Can't really hold that, but snap together. I wish I had let me grab the seat. I want to show you this because if you lose the neutral while you're working on your bike, it's not hard to fix. Okay. Should be able to see that. And you can hear it click too. Good. I just wanted to show you that because that could drive you crazy, because this can loosen up just a little bit. You won't see it separate. And that if you lose your neutral light, that's the first place to check. And it comes up in the print. It's on this side of the connection on the diode. That's it. Okay, in the event that you lose some type of function on your bike, this is a Buell Blast manual. If you go to the electrical connectors, it gives you a table here with connector numbers. All these connectors have a number on it. And there's a description of it, what it's for. So in my particular troubleshooting problem earlier, I was losing the neutral indicator on the dash. So on the print, there's a little picture of a junction point. It's called 172. 172 is that connection number. They call it a one-place bullet. That's because the connector looks like a bullet. It's a male and a female end. And if it's loose, you won't be able to tell. So if you're losing your neutral indicator, unplug it and plug it back in again. Otherwise, the only other thing it could be is a loose connection at the diode at the main fuse box, or the neutral switch is bad, which, if that's the case, it'll probably never get changed because the neutral is not easy to fix. You got to pull the bike apart. Nobody wants to do that. But here's the print. There's the neutral switch. Here's that junction point, 172. That's the hell they call it, a one place bullet. Yeah. This is the one place bullet. This little image right here. And it goes up to this diode on the fuse box. So there's only a couple of things it can be, or the dash itself is no good. So, but most likely it's a loose connector, and that's it right there.